The news in detail. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has successfully launched X-ray Polarimeter satellite XPOSAT aboard Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV C-58. The satellite was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh at 9:10 today morning. 10 other scientific payloads were also launched along with XPOSAT. This mission marks India's first dedicated scientific endeavor to study the polarization of cosmic X-rays from celestial sources. Following the launch of XPOSAT, India has become the second country in the world after the United States to send a specialized astronomy observatory to study black holes and neutron stars in our galaxy.